Hi YouTube! As you can see from this video, I'm going to be showing off the first day of this beloved tradition my hometown has with food trucks, where it's full of live music, vendors, community stores, and just all around, of course, a lot of variety of food that people can try. I'm going to be showing off this tradition I've been a part of the last couple years, and to show you how fun this tradition is right here in Glens Falls. So without further ado, here are the food truck roundup, and the very first one for 2026. As you can see, there's a lot of food trucks, a lot of shopping vendors, a lot of people every age, just about, and my favorite thing of all, one of them, live music. This guy named Rob Pulsifer playing. This guy's my favorite model. Met him last year and we bonded over our love of kids. Cool guy. There's a brewery from the Adirondacks, Lake George. And now pretty soon, I'm gonna get something to eat. So as you can see, I did get something from a truck. I got pulled pork, cheese, and fries from a Given to Fry truck from Schenectady. I also found my friend Garrett was eating right over here. You want to say hi to the camera for YouTube, Garrett?
Hi.
You want to tell me about how amazing I am for the channel, Garrett, and how cool it is that we're neighbors and friends? Okay, and I just tried some fried ice cream, a sample of it from a local business before getting this. And it's a very unusual you see ice cream like that. There's more vendors, more food servers. There's pony rides. There's, I think, a tribute to Ulysses S. Grant promoting his cottage. There's all the stores in the shirt factory. Bounce houses for the little kids. I highly recommend coming here Thursday nights if you're around the Glens Falls area from May to September. Now I'm going to eat this thing. So the pulled pork fries were very tasty, but the cheese being flavored into it. I can say I got something very good and tasty for my first food truck, for this being only $13. Love it when they mix foods like this. Show you more rich things about this tradition very soon. Out walking with Garrett. As I said, I am going to show more of the cool stuff they have around here. Actually, there's 3 stages of live music. There's 3. One over near the Shirt Factory's entrance, one near another lane's entrance, and then one with a band in the center of the park.
Very bad.
So without further ado, here's everything that they have around here. Said we've got 3 stages of live music. This is the second of the 3. Some more hangout spots, more vendors like a jumbo lemonade, a truck dedicated to serving various kinds of mac and cheese. I think this is Asian chicken. Station that sells local donuts. There's clothing, vendors, jewelry. There's even maple ice cream, which I've had many times in recent years. The chicken. Oh, there's even a meatball truck that shows meatballs from every corner of the globe.
How did we lose the day?
Coach's Corner. I think I've tried once. Wow, they added more tables. This is a big community event. Hey, you want to say something to the camera, Garrett?
We're having fun.
We sure are. As I said, this is very community-based. A lot of people, especially that this is the first of what will hopefully be some of the numbers for the year. This goes every Thursday from May all the way to September, all summer round.
I just have to sit there.
Yeah, the third stage of live music that I said is in the center of this park like environment.
They are good.
Through your broken walls, we're always becoming, we'll never be leaving. When friends come and go, you will never
Beautiful.
be leaving.
A couple more food trucks, Ted's Fish Fry in Kettleford, New York City. It's amazing that food trucks come as far as the Big Apple.
Yes, that's fair from you. See that couple on the stage there.
As I think I said earlier, Garrett is my friend and my neighbor. We live in the same neighborhood in Southwest Falls. For those of you that have been with my YouTube channel since January, you would know that I interviewed the owner of this record store. Well, this record store, because it's right near all the festivities this food truck thing does, they do big business here during this time of year. A lot of money is made during the 4 months this tradition is in effect. Every week, people like myself come in there, get records, socialize, meet new people. It's just so much fun. And I just got the maple ice cream cone that I was sharing earlier. It's cool that they have maple flavored ice cream. No wonder I get that a lot. So I just got more delicious food at various places. I got a cinnamon bun from the bakery that's next to the rocker store and all around, and I got 2 egg rolls with sauce from another food truck. So this is the Shirt Factory, just like a hollowed inside shopping mall. A lot of stores. This is the place that surrounds everything I showed. There's a bookstore, store that sells entertainment. There's an art store, a violin store, a store that sells occult stuff, which I'm not going to go into. So I want to honor Jesus. There's an orchard, cutting. A lot of info about when this used to be a factory working town. Mural with sea creatures. It's just so cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video recap of what these food truck fest things are like every Thursday in May and September right here in Glens Falls. Just got back from the record store I was talking about. I got 3 incredible albums. First Steppenwolf album, Mr. Tambourine Man by the Birds, and Rick Wakeman's During the Center of the Earth. I hope you enjoyed it. I got a lot of great food, and I'm sitting here enjoying this nice folk duo as the night winds down. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Alex with Alex's favorite facts about music and other cool topics. Signing off.